Good morning, class. We take up a revision on the letter writing, okay? And we will take up informal letter writing. Informal letters are those letters that you write to your friends, your relatives, your mom, dad, your brother, sister, or to somebody whom you're very close to, right? And you
Yes,
use
ma'am.
a comfortable language to talk to them, right? So the
Yes.
topic that we take today is, you can write down in your rough register, write a letter to your mother telling her telling her about the lovely poolside party you
Ma'am,
attended,
ma'am,
telling
what is
her ab- telling her about the poolside party, pool, Pool, poolside party you attended on your friend's
Yes, ma'am.
birthday. Yes.
Ma'am, it's school or pool?
Pool, 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 पानी के किनारे, the pool, swimming pool, okay, poolside party you attended on your friend's birthday. Now, the format is very clear. Let us discuss this letter, how we are going to write it. But before that, please write the word limit. It should be of 120 to 150 words. Okay?
Can you repeat?
120 to 150 words. And the letter is, write a letter to your mother telling her about the poolside party you attended on your friend's birthday. Okay? Now, the theme is very clear. But before we begin, let us begin systematically. On top right hand side, sorry, left hand side, next to the margin will be your address. And since you're living away from your mom, that means you will write your hostel address. Okay, just assume that you're living somewhere away from your mom. Okay, so you write your address, then the date, and then you write dear mom, your dear mother, and then you will write the first paragraph, a small little paragraph, asking and telling about the health of the family and telling your own health as well. How you are keeping, you are taking your studies seriously. You can jot down these points, it will help you in future. So the first small little paragraph will be interaction of the normal talks, the beginning of talks. That, hello mom, it's nice to write to you after a pretty long time, and I hope you're keeping well. How is dad doing? Out here in my hostel, things are fine. I'm taking my studies seriously. And yes, a few days back, my friend so and so, you should be open in telling out the name through a birthday party. And it was near a poolside. There was a big pool in his house where the party was organized, something like this. And then comes the next paragraph. You can also mention the date of your friend's birthday. Now, make sure right now these are winters. So, if you have a birthday party in winter next to the pool, it is not looking good. It's sounding very cool, isn't it? How will you go inside that pool? So, it is better you shift the date that you have written on top to somewhere in May, June, right? Or even July, August. But those are rainy months, and in rainy months also we don't go near the
Okay,
pool.
ma'am.
So think wisely of a date of your friend's birthday and the date you're writing the letter. You can't write a letter in December telling about June, right? So use these two logics very clearly. Clear? Now when we finish off the detailing, we come on to the best part of describing the poolside party. It was fun. The pool was there. The pool was big, and it had all safety measures. It had number of tires and tubes for not tires, sorry, the tubes, inflated tubes for the children to go for swimming. There were two guards who were keeping a constant eye on the children so that we were all in safe hands. Then the mother of the say the your friend had organized for lovely chips and snacks. There were mutton, chicken, and all that, whatever two, three dishes that you like. You can mention that food. Don't go into elaborate, don't go for food पे ही बातें करते चले जा रहे हो. Keep things precise because you have to cover number of points. You have to talk about the nice food and a little variety you can mention. Then the games you played. There were number poolside games which were organized. You can mention a few things. Then there was a proper arrangement for maybe, say, return gifts that you can mention. Then you can always mention the cake. The cake was huge, the cake was delicious, and it was a treat to enjoy that lovely cake. Okay, I've also taken the photograph, Mama, and I'll be sending you all of them through my email account, right? So you can mention a number of things. You can bring in all the joy you can pour in, but make sure it is, since I have added this one term, poolside party. तो आपकी थीम घूम फिर के पूल के पास आनी चाहिए, ठीक है? You can, आजकल तो थीम वाइज पार्टीज होती हैं, तो you can also think of a nice theme that the children were asked to come in their pajamas, and it was, though it was in the evening, and by 7 o'clock we were all free, and auntie fetched us back to the hostel, all of us. That means coming and going was also looked after by somebody elder. Did you get it? So when you go through these points, even your mother, after reading it at a distance, जिनको आप लिख रहे हो, she will feel relaxed. So your letter should be impressive and informative. These two things make the letter very, very systematic. These will fetch you marks. Okay? So it has to be in these lines, and it's an interesting topic which every child would love to imagine. Birthday parties kitni mazedar lagti hai na? You can talk about the decorations, you can talk about the lovely cap you wore. They had given you silver caps with, goggles to wear. Then you had flippers to swim in. The flippers were given as a gift to the children, those who entered, so that they can go down the pool. You were asked to bring your swimming costumes along because it was a poolside party. All that you can mention. And then in the end, to make your mother at ease, you can always say in the end, "Ki Mama, after a lot of fun, I'm so refreshed that I'm for the next 1 month, I think I will be studying thoroughly because I had lovely fun time and now it's time to studies. So I will make sure that I'm very refreshed and I'm all set for my studies again, because earlier it was only the workload of my studies, but this party gave me a break from it and I enjoyed, and now I'm refreshed to take up my studies back again." Now, once you say this, parents feel good कि हाँ मेरा बच्चा पढ़ने गया है तो पढ़ ही रहा है वहां पर. Did you get it? Did you get the theme? What I'm wanting to tell you as a teacher plus as a mother? समझ आया आप लोगों को? मम्मा लोग को क्या पसंद आएगा सुनने में? ठीक है ना?
यस मैम।
वरना तो एक लेक्चर भी आ जाता है माओ का कि तुम यही सब करते रहना, पूल साइड पार्टी अटेंड करते रहना, तुम लोग पढ़ने भेजा है पढ़ो, है ना? माओ का सबसे सिंपल जवाब होता है, ठीक है ना? सो यू हैव टू, देखो सबको हंसी आई है, देखो सबकी माँ की ब्रांड एक जैसी होती है. ओके, when you talk of mothers, imagine कर लो बेटा, you have right now the strict mother in the call with you, okay, and you all are my children. So just be like that and make the letter very, very interesting, very, very enthusiastic and positivity से भरा होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? पेरेंट्स को आपसे क्या चाहिए? आपकी हार्डवर्क इन स्टडीज. मार्क्स से उन्हें मतलब नहीं है, आपने मेहनत की, अगर वो उन्हें दिख रहा है तो आई नो कि हार्डली एनी पेरेंट स्कोल्ड्स यू. कि अरे तुमने तो गंदे मार्क्स लाए. No, all they say is if there is a loophole in your studies, if you are playing all the time, then the parents get hurt, right? तो आपको इस लेटर को, पूल साइड पार्टी है, आप अपनी मॉम को बता रहे हो, दैट मीन्स यू आर ऑलरेडी ओपन, यू आर नॉट हाइडिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम हर. क्योंकि आप तो हॉस्टल में हो, आप चाहते तो ये पार्ट स्किप कर सकते थे कि मम्मा मैं तो पढ़ता हूँ, दिन रात पढ़ता हूँ, पढ़ने के लिए आया हूँ. नो, बट यू आर राइटिंग दिस, दैट मीन्स यू आर ओनिंग अप. Yes, I went for a party, I did this, and now I'm feeling refreshed to take up my studies in future with much zeal and enthusiasm. Now, I have in this description used some very good words of English, right? So, एक बार when I end this call, make sure you go through the lovely words that I have chosen. आज ये लेटर मत लिखना, ये लेटर कल लिखना, क्योंकि मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मैं शाम तक का इसे अपलोड करूँ. ठीक है? Once I upload it, आप आराम से बैठ के, it will not take any time because tomorrow I will not give you any revision. Okay? It is only for today that I have given you, and I give you 2 days to think over it and do it